Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to plan an entire trip using Skyscanner. I will be on this website, so make sure you will have logged in also, and I will just selected my country like Canada. So I want to go like United Arab States. So you will just select your country, and if you want to with the return ticket or one-way ticket, so you will just select it from here. And this is also the multi-city. If you add some multi-city stays, so you will also add it. But I will just go for the simple as well. So from here you will just select the date. I will just select it like 5 February 2025. This is my departure date, and I want to return in 10 February 2025. This is my return date. So I have only one LDAT, and if you have any increase, so you will just here you just add it the adults and you will just increase it. So I will just tab on it search and let's see. So here is the flights cheapest flights it will shows me, which is Dubai or Abu Dhabi with a 4-star hotel. So if I just tab on it like this one, and this is from a Toronto flight in this price, which is cost like 2,46,623 rupees. And if you want to direct flight, so you will be just also find it for here, but I will just recommend it for the cheapest flights. And now you will just plan for your hotel booking. So I will just tab on it hotel booking. So you will just enter your destination or hotel directly name, but I will just write it my like country where I landed. I will just write it United Arab States, and from here this is the filters. You will just tap on it like top reviews or lowest price. So I will just tap on it this one or lowest price right over here. So there are many, you will just select it easily. So this is the hotel, and it will cost per night 8,439 rupees, and it will also free cancellation. So if you want to book it, you will just tap on it, go to the sites, and again the last plan is for car hire. So I will just tap on it car hire. So simply again you just enter your airport like Dubai, and I will just select it this one airport, and driver age between 25 to 70 or return car to a different location. You will just also search for it, but I will just pick up date like on 5th of February. You will just select it the time or again drop off date, and just tap to search it, and let's see. So this is the rental car companies right over here. So you will just select it. You will just select the car by transmission, you want to automatic or manual, and you will just selected the car from a small, medium, large or SUV or luxury. So this is the prices, and you will just simply just selected price right over here, and this is the Nissan Sentra. And if you just tap on it view details, so you if you want to just select it by a holiday autos, this is a transportation company, so you will just select it. So it will be connect you with the directly, this is the like booking. So in this way you will just have to plan a entire on the trip plan on Skyscanner. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.